Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you're having a great day. Today we will be unboxing the brand new M2 2024 iPad Air in the space grey colour. The new iPad Air comes in two sizes and I'll be unboxing the smaller 11-inch iPad Air. So just pull on the green tags which are on both sides of the bottom of the box, which is very satisfying, and then we can just flip it over and open up the box. So this 11-inch iPad Air comes in at £600 and the 13-inch version is £800. Good thing about the new iPads is that they've copied the 10th generation base iPad with the landscape camera, and this is a very useful feature because most people use their iPads in the landscape mode now. So putting the iPad to the side for a moment, I'm just going to show you what else you get in the box. In the UK and Europe you only get the charger without the charger plug, which is unfortunate if you've just got a new USB-C device because these plugs are now all in USB-C. This is telling you how the iPad works as well in these little manuals, and there's one for each of the popular languages. And we've also got some standard safety and handling instructions. But now let's unwrap this iPad. So very carefully, let me just lift this up. As you can see, you've got a tag and you can just pull that down and take that off the back of the iPad and then just pull it all the way around. And yeah, we've got our space grey iPad Air 2024 M2 edition. This device has everything you need. Both this 13-inch and the 11-inch edition support the Apple Pencil Pro and the Apple Pencil USB-C, and then if you get the cellular version you've got 5G cellular connectivity. Just to note though, in the box we did not receive the Apple stickers as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.